Hi, I'm going to go ahead and hopefully explain how to use this graphing tool. So here's an example in 4.2, y equals 5 halves sine of 4 times quantity x plus pi over 4. Now, the first thing I did is, let me just show you here. I went ahead and distributed, and I added this 0 here. So here's the basic equation. Remember, this is k. It's not written there, but I'm writing it there for emphasis. And then I distributed the 4 to the x and the 4 to the pi over 4. So you'll actually get sine of 4x plus pi over 4. And this is necessary so that you can actually recognize what a, b, c, and k are. So c is not pi over 4, it's pi. Okay. Now, the amplitude is going to be the absolute value of 5 halves, which is just 5 halves. The period is 2 pi divided by b. B is 4, so you're going to get pi over 2. And if you actually put in your calculator pi and divided by 2, you're going to get 1.57. And the phase shift is negative c over b. So here's negative c, so negative pi divided by b, 4. All right, so now let me see if I can go ahead and add these things in for you. So let's take a look. So when I come in here, I got to click on that. And because it's a sine graph, it's going to be this shape, right? So this is sine, this is cosine. So I'm going to select on that, and then I'm going to click on this, and this opens up, and the amplitude was 5 halves. So let's take a look. That's 2.5, right? There's 5 halves. And the period, let's go back to that, was pi over 2 or 1.57. So let's see which one they take. I forget now. So the period is, looks like they're giving me 1.57 there. The vertical shift, if you recall, was 0, right? It was 0 over here because k is 0. And finally, the phase shift is negative pi over 4, and that's the one where you have to be careful because they tell you in the instructions that you have to actually put it in here as like something like negative pi, write out the word, and then divided by 4, and you can't approximate it. Okay, so let's see if this works. So hopefully that is there, and then let me check the answer. And it works. And by the way, let me just say, if you did put in your calculator like pi, you press the pi button and then divided by 4, and you use the approximation, even though the graph would look the same, they're going to count it wrong. You actually have to use the word pi or the symbol pi and then divided by 4. They won't take any approximations. Okay. So hopefully that helps you in using this tool. Thanks so much for listening. Bye-bye.